Nice to see you all again. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to share a recipe called Yu Xiang You Si, which means shredded pork Szechuan style. I'm doing it a little bit differently where I'm using shredded chicken as opposed to the shredded pork. I have some shredded celery I'm using some stripped wood ear. That's the black fungus, and then I just stripped it up. And then I just have a couple pieces of julienne red pepper, some green onions, cut it about a ½ inch. I'm going to saute those with the garlic and the cooking wine. And then I have some stripped bamboo shoots. So we'll be adding that in as we flash fry the chicken meat here. For the sauce, I have a couple different flavors of soy sauce. I like to use my standard Kikkoman, and then I use a dark soy sauce because I look for a nice rich color. And then to add a little bit more sauce to it, I may simply add a little bit of water, or you could use a chicken stock or vegetable stock if you want to make it saucy. And then we have the cornstarch slurry, which is heavy cornstarch, a little bit of water mixed up. That way you only have to use a little bit when you go to thicken up the sauce. We also have some fresh chopped garlic, love garlic, and this particular dish likes a lot of garlic. For the heat, I usually like to use some fresh chopped chilies as well, but for today I'm just using the Rooster Blend chili paste. And I've got 3 tablespoons in there because I want to have a little bit of a kick to it. I have a pinch of sugar that I may do the sweet and sour to it. We have a little bit of vinegar, white wine vinegar, and that's pretty much it. And a little bit of sesame oil just to top the dish off. With that said, I'm just going to get busy and hope you enjoy this dish. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and we'll see you soon.